Hey YouTubers, I'm going to do my latest and greatest tune cold start on the 4.8 with the 1838P cam with the large open plenum long runner intake, which apparently does play havoc a little bit with the tune. But I had a great viewer send me some information through my email. Was able to learn a lot, or at least use a lot, from some of the information he sent all the way from Louisiana. And I got this thing starting and idling really good. I mean, I have no complaints. Let's see here. This is dead cold start. Been setting 2 days. Got that, what they call shear, that little flare that happens right on first startup is actually, it's intended to fling oil and stuff off of your internal rotating assembly and boost your oil pressure quicker. But it literally fires right up, comes down to around 1100, 1150, then settles in at 800 RPM idle. Compared to where I've been with the previous tuning efforts and where I'm at now, this is like wonderful. I have no complaints with this tune so far. Now keep in mind, this is just a tune to get this thing to start, idle, recover, rev, all that. It's not tuned for power. I just was purely working on a tune to get this thing where it was dependable and had a steady idle with no funny business on the first startup. But you know what I mean? It drops right back down to idle. I'm absolutely thrilled with where I'm at right now. And keep in mind, guys, this is without any tuning to the VE tables